Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology under Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session on Jamun Candy under capacity building component of PMFME scheme. Jamun belongs to the family of Myrtaceae and is commonly known as jambul, black plum and Java plum. It is mostly considered as a minor dry land fruit crop, but because of its high nutritional value and excellent processing qualities, it is now gaining popularity in subtropical and arid region of the country. Jamun, the highly nutritious, refreshing and succulent fruit flooding the summer markets, has innumerable health benefits. This fruit is said to be very good for diabetic patients. This juicy fruit holds a great significance in holistic treatment like Ayurvedic, Unani and Chinese medicine, which not only replenishes your body with high energy levels but also boosts the presence of antioxidants and flavonoids for the prevention of chronic disease and fight against free radical cell damage. Harvesting. The tree fruits once in a year. Fruits ripen in June and July or on the onset of rains and takes about 3 to 4 months to ripen after full bloom. The main characteristic of the ripe fruit at full size is deep purple or black color. The ripe fruits are sweetish, sour to taste. Fully ripened jamun fruits should be harvested daily by shaking the tree branches or hand-picked singly by climbing the tree with bag slung on the shoulder. Care should be taken to avoid all possible damage to fruits, as all fruits do not ripen at the same time. Hence, it requires the number of pickings. Value-added products of jamun. Being highly perishable fruit and its short life, it deteriorates at a fast rate. Number of products can be made by processing jamun, like jamun juice, jamun squash, RTS beverages, jam, jelly, wine, candies and many more. This video will explain how to make jamun candies step by step. Equipments and machines. Fruit washing machinery, weighing machine, pulper, pumps, filters, pulpers processing vat, dryer and packaging equipment. Ingredients required. The following ingredients are usually present in jamun candies. The recipe can be customized and standardized as per the demand of the targeted market. For 1 kg of jamun pulp, we need sugar 600 grams, commercial glucose 100 grams, skim milk powder 100 to 150 grams, butter 100 grams, salt 5 grams, citric acid 4 grams. Sorting. Immature fruit and damaged fruits are manually removed. Sound fruits are selected for processing. Washing. Fruits are washed by chlorinated water and final rinsing by potable water to remove chlorine. Jamun fruits may be washed by using fruit washer also to remove dirt, mud, soil or other impurities. Pulping. Fruit pulper can be used for jamun pulp extraction. For the extraction of pulp, the jamun fruits are heated to 60 degrees centigrade along with small quantity of water, that is 10%. This allows separation of pulp from seeds. After removal of the seeds, pulp is then passed through the pulper. Semi and fully automatic pulper are available in the market with different capacity. Concentration. Boil the pulp and add sugar and milk powder to the boiling pulp. After thorough mixing, the mix is heated to 90 degrees centigrade for about 1 hour. Addition of butter to jamun pulp mix gives smoothing effect in the mouth while chewing the candies. Glucose powder is also added to fortify the candies. Continuous stirring is done during the period of heating until the mix attains consistency. Pulp is heated until it reaches 70-degree brisk. Spreading and cutting. Mix is then spread on clean stainless steel trays to a thickness of 10 cm. The spread is then kept aside for 2 hours for setting. Once it attains room temperature, spread can be cut into appropriate sized candies. Packaging and labeling. Candies can be then wrapped in butter paper or appropriate packaging. Candies can be stored safely for 2 months under ambient conditions, while at refrigeration temperature, the shelf life will be around 4 months. Date of manufacture or packing, best before, lot number or batch number should be mentioned. Costing. The investment on building is the major cost of fixed capital. The number of semi and fully automatic machines are available in the market to perform jamun candy processing. It is mentioned in equipments and machines part of this video, which can be taken according to the budget of the product. Till now, we have seen the demonstration of jamun candy processing in PMFME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state or UT governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.